Have you ever met a monkey whose arms were so long he could grab a banana from 3 trees away? Well, that's Momo! A funny little monkey who could reach anything except patience. Momo didn't like to wait. When bananas weren't ripe, he stretched his long arms and pulled them down anyway. When cookies weren't baked, he'd sneak one out of the oven. Ouch, too hot. He'd say, "Why wait, when my arms can reach now?" But every time he rushed, things went wrong. The bananas were hard and bitter. The cookies burned and black. And soon, his friends stopped asking him for help. One morning, the forest held a banana bake-off. Everyone was so excited. The rule was simple: wait until your bananas turn golden before baking. He rolled his eyes and grabbed the greenest bananas he could find. He mixed, he baked, he danced impatiently around the oven. Then, ding, he took a bite. "Bleh!" he cried. "It's sour!" Meanwhile, his friends sat calmly, stirring and smiling. They waited, the air filled with sweet, golden smells. And when they finally took a bite, their faces lit up with joy. Momo sat under a banana tree, his long arms resting on his knees. He whispered softly, "Maybe patience isn't about doing nothing. Maybe it's about trusting the right time." From that day on, Momo used his long arms to help others, to reach fruit for a tiny rabbit, to hang a lantern for a bird, to pick flowers for a turtle. He learned that sometimes, when you slow down, life becomes sweeter. So remember, the longest waits often bring the sweetest rewards. Next time you feel impatient, take a deep breath, smile, and think of Momo, the monkey who finally learned to wait.